What if I told you that right now, somewhere in your home, there are two tiny pennies sitting quietly, looking completely ordinary, but hiding a value so massive, so shocking, that it could instantly turn you into someone holding a life-changing treasure? Sounds unbelievable, right? But here's the truth. Millions of people across the United States have handled these exact coins. Some even spent them, without ever realizing they were letting go of something incredibly rare, something collectors are desperately hunting for right now. And today, I'm about to reveal two ultra-rare wheat pennies, coins that don't look perfect, coins that actually look worn, spotted, even dirty, But that's exactly what makes them so powerful. Because in the world of rare coins, what looks ordinary can secretly be extraordinary. And here's the most shocking part. One of these pennies doesn't shine, it doesn't look special, but it carries a hidden story that could make it worth an unbelievable amount. A true, hidden treasure that most people would ignore without a second thought. So before you skip this video, before you look away, make sure you watch every second, because once you see these coins, you will never look at a penny the same way again. And who knows, the next time you check your pocket, your jar, or your old collection, you might just discover you've been holding a fortune all along. Welcome to Rare US Coin Secrets, where hidden treasures are revealed every single day. First up, now let's begin with the coin that most people would ignore instantly. A coin that doesn't shine, doesn't sparkle, and honestly, looks like it has lived through decades of struggle. The 1,940 wheat penny without a mint mark. At first glance, you see a surface covered with brown and black layers, almost like time itself has painted over it, and on the reverse side, those mysterious grey dots, giving it a worn, almost forgotten appearance. But here's where the story turns. This coin was minted during a time when America was standing on the edge of transformation, just before entering one of the most defining periods in its history. Made primarily from 95% copper and 5% tin and zinc, this penny carries not just metal, but history, energy, and a legacy that collectors crave. And here's what makes it even more powerful. Most collectors chase perfection, shiny coins, flawless surfaces. But in rare cases like this, imperfection becomes the signature of rarity. Those brown and black layers, they are not damaged, they are decades of natural toning, something that serious collectors recognize as authenticity. Those grey dots on the reverse side, they tell a story of oxidation patterns that cannot be artificially recreated easily, making this coin stand out in a sea of ordinary pennies. And because this specific condition is extremely uncommon, especially in coins that have survived this long, the demand skyrockets among elite collectors who understand its true nature. This is not just a coin. This is a survivor of time. This is a hidden artifact. And if you have one like this, you are not holding loose change. You are holding something far greater, something that could quietly be sitting in your possession, waiting for the right moment to reveal its true worth. Now listen carefully, because this is where everything changes. The current market value of this specific 1,940 wheat penny in the condition described is approximately $2 million. Yeah, you heard that right. This is not a guess. This is not fiction. This is based on real collector demand and market trends, and the value is continuously rising as fewer and fewer examples remain undiscovered. If you have this coin, you are literally carrying a massive treasure in your pocket. This is the kind of coin that can redefine your financial future, the kind of discovery that collectors dream about every single day. And here's the truth. most people don't understand. The longer you hold on to such a rare piece, the more powerful its value becomes. Time is not your enemy here, it is your greatest ally. So if you ever come across a 1940 wheat penny with these exact features, don't rush, don't panic, understand what you have. Because you are not just holding a coin, you are holding a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. And remember, on Rare US Coin Secrets, we bring you these powerful discoveries every single day. So stay connected, because your next big treasure might already be waiting for you. Next up, now, take a deep breath, because what you're about to hear next might completely change the way you look at every single penny forever. This is the 1958 wheat penny with a D mint mark, a coin that many people have seen, many have touched, but almost no one truly understands. At first glance, it doesn't scream value. It doesn't shine like gold. It doesn't look perfect. Instead, you'll notice something unusual. Those brown spots scattered across the reverse side, almost like tiny marks left behind by time itself, giving it a mysterious, aged personality. But here's where everything flips. Those brown spots are not flaws. They are silent signatures of authenticity. They are proof that this coin has traveled through decades, untouched by artificial restoration, preserved in a way that collectors dream about. And the D mint mark, that tiny letter beneath the year, tells you this coin was born in Denver Mint, one of the most important production centers in American coin history. 1958 was also a special year, the final chapter of the wheat penny era before the design changed forever. That alone makes this coin incredibly significant because it represents the end of an iconic legacy. And when you combine that historical importance with an extra fine condition and those unique natural brown spotting patterns, you get something extremely rare, something collectors fight over, something that doesn't appear often, and when it does, it doesn't stay available for long. This coin holds 95% copper composition, giving it not just weight, but presence, a solid, rich feel that reminds you, this is not just currency, this is history, frozen in metal. Now imagine this, a collector, someone who has spent years, maybe decades, searching for the perfect 1958 with D wheat penny, suddenly comes across a coin like yours. Not polished, not altered, but authentic, raw, real. Do you think they hesitate? No, because coins like this don't wait, and neither do serious collectors. This is where ordinary people miss their moment, and where smart collectors rise. Now listen very carefully, because this is the moment that changes everything. The current market value of this 1958 with D wheat penny in the exact condition described is approximately $1,600,000. Yes, this is absolutely current. And yes, the value is rising continuously as demand grows stronger and availability becomes thinner. This is not hype. This is not imagination. This is the real power of rare coins. If you are holding this coin, you are not holding a penny. You are holding a massive hidden fortune, a treasure that most people will never even get the chance to see in their lifetime. And here's something even more powerful. Coins like this don't just hold value, they build value over time. Every year, every passing moment increases their importance, their rarity, and their demand. So if you ever find one like this, don't rush to let it go. Understand it, respect it, because this is not just a collectible. This is a legacy piece, a silent powerhouse, waiting for the right collector, the right moment, the right opportunity to explode in value. And remember, on Rare US Coin Secrets, We bring you these hidden treasures daily, uncovering secrets that most people will never know. Stay connected, stay alert, because the next life-changing coin might already be in your pocket.